Hi. Have a Toro 5500. Starts fine, dies as soon as I try to put in gear. Appears to be a problem with brake actuator or safety switch. Where is actuator located? Can't tell from diagram.
When did you last clean or perform maintenance on your Toro tool or machine? How old is it?
It's a 2013 zero-turn mower. Regularly maintained. Cleaned it Saturday. That's when problem began. Maybe a loose wire to one of the safeties, but can't seem to isolate.
How long has this been going on with your Toro lawn mower? What have you tried so far?
About 2 days. Cleaned and checked all connections including seat. Starts right up. Blades turn. Seems fine until you put it in gear to move it. As soon as you pull in the levers to move, it dies.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Please advise where brake actuator is located.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. I don't know it all, but maybe together we can get you a satisfactory answer. Brake actuator is on the frame with linkages running to both transmissions, but more likely one of the arm switches are not making to complete the run circuit. Have you checked the arm switches?
Will do. Thank you.
Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.